In a previous video, I got a comment that I should continue making conversion recipes, and so today we are going to convert Pasanda into raw vegan. So we're done, and you can serve this just now as it is. It's a wonderful raw vegan soup. Alternatively, you can serve it with sprouted wild rice, or what I'm about to do is eat it with some spiralized zucchini. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want more free recipes, links to experts, information about the diet, links to my own books, links to my blog where I also talk about my personal detox. It's ramancheese.org, and I'll see you there.